Welcome back. Today we're going to be checking out one of the budget line of oil filters that Stellantis has came up with. This filter here is going to fit your Hemi V8, 5.7, 6.2, along with a handful of 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engines, but primarily the 2010 and newer Hemi V8 engine. There is the part number right there. And that 001 simply means unit quantity 1. Got a manufacturing date there. Today is September 3rd, 2025. I had to travel a little bit of ways to find this filter because not a lot of Chrysler dealers are carrying this line of filter. One thing I have came across, though, is some Chrysler dealerships are charging you for the Mopar OE filter, but putting this filter on your car. So check those part numbers out. It has the starts off with that number. It should be a cheaper filter price wise. We'll see about the inside. So this one comes with a plastic cover right off the bat that the OE Chrysler filters do not. Let me get some light on the subject here. Now, if you watched the last video, we just did a regular OE Chrysler filter. This one has bigger holes on the inside, right off the bat. Going to be more flow. Bigger slits on the cage on the inside. So it's got the same style oil filter bypass valve, but I'm going to do this one in one shot. So let's get this on here. Oh, we got a date right there also. December 2nd, 2024. Date on the box also says December 2nd, 2024. Alright, so I really couldn't find much info on this one either as far as micron rating. Just says it offers protection recommended by your manufacturer, will not void your warranty, etc., etc. I'll tell you already that this outer casing is a lot thicker than the OE Mopar filter. Holy smokes, can I get that open? Yeah, alright. So, let's pop the top on it. Oops, sorry about that. So, it feels like any other drain back valve. A little bit gooey. I'm going to say that. It's a little sticky maybe. I don't know what that's about. Definitely looks like a lot less pleats, a lot less filter material. Got the metal strip there to hold it together, which is the thing I like. Got the solid metal cap all glued up with your bypass valve right there. And this one uses an actual spring. I'm kind of partial to these. I don't know why. The OE style had that little bit of a metal plate on a bend, that style spring. Already thicker sidewall. Bigger holes inside, which, just be honest, it's going to flow more. Looks like they're pretty uniform spaced out, but there is less of them. So, I'm going to count them real quick and I'll be right back. Here I am back. I just got done counting all these. That was instantaneous for you. But, as you can see, I do use an ink pen to go around to make sure I don't double count. This one has 47 pleats. The OE filter, I believe, had 67. Would I run this? Yeah, I wouldn't have an issue running this. I change my oil every 5,000 miles. I ignore the oil life monitor. I go 5,000 miles. I don't burn any oil. I wouldn't have a problem running this filter. Seems like a pretty nicely built quality filter here. I am just curious if it says a country of origin on the box. Let's see here. I do not. Made in China, right there. But, I mean, it looks like a quality filter. If you're okay with it being made in China, then yeah, I wouldn't see an issue with using it. So, if there's any other filters you'd like to see, please let me know. Like, comment, share, subscribe, dislike. Just interact with the video. That helps the algorithm, helps me get out there, helps me get more people watching, eventually become monetized, be able to afford different type of equipment I like to get to try to test flow of these filters and different things like that. I'm just a single dude doing this in his garage. So on that note, I will catch you all later. Have a good one. Bye.